Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to equip mods in Pragmata. First, go to your shelter and head to the tram terminal at the end. Once you are there, press the Y button on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation or F key on your PC to open the menu. Now select the mods section. Here you'll see all the mods you have collected so far, usually found by opening yellow and blue boxes during gameplay. The mods you get are random, so your list may look different. To equip a mod, select it and press cross. Then choose the slot where you want to place it. Once selected, it will be equipped. If you want to equip something like a hardened suit, select it, press cross and assign it to an available slot. By default, you may only have one slot. To increase your mod slots, go to the unit printer in the middle of the shelter, press Y, triangle or F again to interact with it. Then switch to the attachment section using RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation. Here you will find the option to unlock additional mod slots. You can upgrade up to a maximum of 3 slots. Once you have all 3 slots filled, you won't be able to add more mods unless you replace one of the existing ones. That's how you equip mods and increase mod slots in Pragmata. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.